I'm here in the United States to try to find help for the community where I come from and where my family lives. This community is very, very poor and they need help. They don't have water, they don't have food. And in my house, there are many people live there with my mother. They don't have a roof, and it is why I am here to try to find something to help my mother in her work. I would like to let you know that Haiti wants to survive. Even if they are hungry, they try to survive. Even if they don't have for today, but they hope in God and they think that maybe tomorrow I will have. So I thank you, Randy and the other people who want to help. So I thank you very much for the help you gave me. I consider that that will be a blessing from God, and God will bless you too for your work.